strongest wealth move isn't in chasing stocks, crypto, or trends. It's in land, the most overlooked but most powerful asset. Land is finite, permanent, and the foundation of every economy. When you understand the techniques behind land ownership, you unlock opportunities that others miss. This is where fortunes are built. This is where dynasties begin, and this is the play that separates speculation from strategy. Land is scarce. No one can manufacture more of it, and as populations grow, demand intensifies. This scarcity drives appreciation. It's pure supply and demand economics. While currencies inflate and collapse, land steadily climbs. The technique here is positioning yourself on the winning side of scarcity. Owning land means owning guaranteed long-term value. It is the immovable anchor in a volatile market, the one resource that cannot be duplicated, and that scarcity is your leverage. Land is not just about holding, it is about turning dirt into dollars. You can lease it, develop it, subdivide it, or farm it. Agricultural land generates harvest revenue. Commercial plots produce rental income. Residential land can be developed into housing or sold in parcels. The technique is activating cash flow streams while keeping the core asset intact. Land becomes a platform for multiple businesses, each layer multiplying its worth. This is how static land transforms into active income. The hidden opportunity is in development. Raw land can be rezoned, improved, or built upon. Each step multiplies its value. The technique is identifying underutilized land and unlocking its potential. Infrastructure expansion, urban growth, and industrial demand all push land values higher. Investors who understand zoning, permits, and development cycles turn ordinary plots into extraordinary fortunes. This is where exponential wealth is created. Land is collateral. Banks trust it. Investors respect it. You can leverage land to secure financing for other ventures. The technique is using land as a financial lever, borrowing against it to expand into new opportunities without losing ownership. Land becomes the foundation for scaling wealth. It is the asset that opens doors to bigger plays, bigger deals, and bigger empires. Leverage turns land into a multiplier of opportunity. Currencies lose value, but land rises. Inflation erodes cash, but land protects it. The technique here is simple. Park wealth in land to shield it from economic instability. While others watch savings shrink, landowners watch assets appreciate. It is the ultimate hedge, the strongest store of value, the move that keeps wealth intact when everything else is bleeding. This is how land becomes not just an investment, but a vault of prosperity. Land compounds across generations. Families that hold land don't just preserve wealth, they expand it. The technique is long-term positioning, securing land today so its value multiplies tomorrow. Dynasties are built not through speculation, but through ownership of the ground itself. Land is legacy. It is the inheritance that grows stronger with every generation. This is how wealth becomes dynasty, and dynasty becomes power. Land offers multiple exits. You can sell at appreciation, develop and flip, refinance for liquidity, or subdivide for faster turnover. The technique is flexibility. Land adapts to your financial needs. It can be held, leveraged, or liquidated, always retaining value, always giving you options. No other asset offers this level of control. Land is not locked capital. It is adaptable capital, and that adaptability is opportunity. Land is the strongest asset in wealth building because it combines scarcity, cash flow, development potential, leverage, inflation protection, generational growth, and flexible exits. It is not hype. It is strategy. It is not speculation. It is mechanics. When you own land, you own the foundation of opportunity, the techniques of money, and the secret that has built empires for centuries. Land is the ultimate play, the technical wealth machine, and the strongest asset in the pursuit of lasting prosperity.